Sairam, welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva online classes, and you are learning Let's Learn English with Kalpana Heblekar. Okay, names of birds with sounds. Now we are going to the different world. We have finished with the fruits, we have finished with the flowers, we have finished with the vegetables. Now we are coming to the birds. Yes, what a beautiful creation of God. See, let us thank God for giving us such beautiful environment and such beautiful creation of His. He has taken so much pains. Let us see. Yes, this is very colorful class because I have put lot of pictures, so that we can relate our thoughts to it. Okay, peacock, Peacock. Have all of you seen the peacock? Yes, beautiful. See how beautiful it is, peacock, and the feather is on who? Yes, Lord Krishna. Krishna always loves this peacock feather. Okay, there is a beautiful story, and I will tell you sometimes when I get time. Okay, we'll keep separate time for story. All of you would like to listen? Yes, very good. Peacock, and peacock is also called the national bird of India. Yes, very good. Okay, now parrot. We have learned in the earlier class. Parrot eat what? Chilies. Yes. So we have parrot. See, such beautiful green color birds, right? Then we have starling. Starling. Starling bird. Yes, see the beautiful feathers and the combination and the beak. Isn't it so lovely? Yes, we should try and draw this, At least if we can't create, we can draw it and then try to put the similar colors which God has given to this bird. Okay. So I want all of you to write parrot and draw parrot, starling, and then draw starling. See this again. Visit the video and visit the slides again and again and see the colors. Okay. Unless you appreciate, yes, God's creation, God will not give us anything new. He will keep on, putting the same thing. If we say, thank you, God, again and again, then He will also feel, yes, human beings are thanking me. I should do some new inventions, right? Thank you. Yes, thank you, God. Then we have magpie, Magpie, magpie. See this beautiful combination? Yes, very beautiful, isn't it? Magpie, Magpie. Now, sometimes what happens when we go to different places or the bird sanctuary and all, that time we see many birds, but we don't know which birds they are, right? So, I am putting so that next time when you go to a bird sanctuary, you will know, oh yeah, I have learned about this bird. This is a magpie, this is a peacock, this is a pigeon, okay? This is a parrot, like that. You'll start relating. Then flamingo, Flamingo, flamingo. Yes, let us see the bird. Wow, what a beautiful bird. See, flamingo. Yes. Then we have nightingale, nightingale. Yes. See this beautiful bird, isn't it? It has got a beautiful sound. Who is called the nightingale of India? Yes, Mrs. Lata Mangeshkar. Okay. Okay, let's learn some more names of birds with sounds. Yes, very good. Then we have peahen, peacock and peahen. Okay, see this? Peahen. But peahen is not having the beautiful feathers like the peacock. Then we have hawk, Hawk, hawk. See this hawk? Keeps on seeing, where are the small cats or small small animals which will come fast and just pick it up and go. It's hawk. Okay. Then falcon, Falcon, falcon. Yes, see this falcon? Such a cute thing, right? Yes. Crow, Crow, crow. Yes, it irritates us, but it is said that, in olden days, they say that it is Indra who will tell us who is coming to our house, who is going to come to our house. Any visitors are coming, you can see the crow cawing, caw, caw, caw. Okay. Then raven, raven. Sometimes we see the full black crow, right? It is called as raven. Okay. Kingfisher, King, Kingfisher, Fisher, Kingfisher. This is also a beautiful bird. Okay. Now tell me, which airlines is named after king? Yes, after this bird? Kingfisher Airlines. Okay. Very good. Then bat, B-A-T, bat, not bat and ball which we play in cricket, but it is a bird. Have you seen this bat? It is blind in the mornings, okay, and night it can see. But what for us? We can't see in the dark, right? But this bird can see in the dark properly. Yes, bat. Then swan, S-W-A-N, swan. Yes, what is the swan? When you see the swan, whom do you remember? Yes, goddess Saraswati. Yes, swan. Then we have crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Yes, cranes. These are very sharp birds, It will go in the water and it will stand on one leg. And we should appreciate its patience, okay? And one-mindedness, What it will do, it will keep on standing in one leg like this for a long time in water. And any small fish or a crab comes, tuck, it will pick up, with its long beak. Okay. So we have to learn patience and what else? Quickness from this bird. Then we have cock. Have you seen the cock? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Early in the morning, it will wake you at 4 o'clock, okay, in the morning. It will say, it's morning, sun is going to rise, come on, get up. But we humans hardly understand, okay, but it is more than an alarm clock. Exactly at 4 o'clock, it will start. Hen, H-E-N, hen, cluck, 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 cluck. Yes, hen. Yes. Then we have duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Have you all seen the duck? Wow. Yes. Quack, quack, quack. Yes. What is the young one of duck called? Duckling. Yes, very good. Then we have drake, D-R-A-K-E. Now what is drake? See, this is such a beautiful. It is not a, yes, duck. It is quake. Okay. See the beautiful colors. It's really appreciating, isn't it? Its legs are little oranges and yellowish. Then this body is having, lower body is having little white and little tinge of brown. And then the head is little greenish and the beak is yellowish. See, see children, what God has given us creations, right? There is a small natural belt. It is not tied by the human being. It is tied by the God himself. Okay. Such a beautiful creation. So we all have to thank God whenever we see something very beautiful, which we feel we cannot do with our hands. We know that the God's presence is there and we have to thank God again and again. Okay. Then ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Now, what is ostrich? Let us see. Yes, this is the most fastest running bird and the biggest egg laying. Big eggs it lays. Okay, so ostrich. Then we have partridge, P-A-R-T-R-I-D-G-E, partridge. See, such a cute bird. Wow, isn't it? And easy to draw. So all of you should draw this, and when we are coloring this as it is in this picture, then our love for God increases, more and more. That's why I'm telling, please keep on drawing such beautiful things. Art, drawing and painting and music takes us more closer to God. Okay? Yes. Then we have quail, Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. What is quail? Yeah, see, so beautiful, quail. It has got a nice, see, like a crown, feather. Yes, and see, such beautiful. Do you think we can create anything like this? No, right? So again, we have to thank God for it. Then we have kite. Not the flying kite. See this? Kite. It is called kite. Then we have eagle. So eagle, kite, and all these are of the same family. Okay, vulture. So similar, you know. So eagle. Have you seen this eagle? Yes. Now we have vulture. See, vulture. Okay. Such beautiful, isn't it? I am also getting lost seeing this. Okay. Then we have pigeon. 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 We have pigeon. Okay. Yes. See this pigeon? It's common, right? Yes. Pigeons don't make their nest. You know, they stay on trees or, in the nearby the buildings or other things. They don't build their own nests. Then dove. We have dove. Then we have swallow. See, such a beautiful bird. And then we have owl. Yes, owl. See, so nice it is. So beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Okay, now we will start with the games. Okay, are you all happy with the slides? What is going on and what are the previous lessons taught? Yes, the beautiful creation of God we saw, right? And how many of you are doing the drawings which I told you? Very good, mostly all of you. Very nice. Yes, happy. Now we will do the game. Okay, name the national bird of India. If you are attentive in the class, you will tell me, yes, very good. I'm so happy. All of you know. The national bird of India is peacock. Yes, Peacock. Peacock. Yes, then give names of two birds starting with C. Okay, cock and crow. Yes, very good. Then we have name the birds which also has the airlines named after it. Yes, tell me which. I had told you. Yes, very good. Yes, Kingfisher. Kingfisher, right? Yes, thank you for visiting Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English. Thank you very much and keep visiting again and share this with your other friends and relatives. Okay? Thank you.